how to cancel a pending order in Robinhood app. Welcome to this quick guide on how to cancel a pending order in the Robinhood app. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to stop any pending trades before they are executed. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials to access all features. Step 2. Tap the account icon located at the bottom of your screen. Then go to the order section. Here you'll find a list of all your pending orders. Step 3. From the list of pending orders, select the one you wish to cancel. This will take you to the order details page. Step 4. On the order details page, tap Cancel Order. You'll be asked to confirm your decision before proceeding. Step 5. Once confirmed, you'll receive a notification or message confirming that your order has been successfully canceled.